What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to recolor image using Canva. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, please go to our Canva, create the design to the size that you wish and upload your picture. Go to uploads and select the picture that you would like to upload to the design. Make sure that the picture is inside the design but not automatically added to it, just like this. Okay, now all we have to do is review the left sidebar of menus, pay attention into apps, and right here we're gonna type ReColor, just like this, and we are looking for this app right here, Image ReColor. You're gonna be able to find a lot of apps, but we're looking for this one right here, the first one. Open the app. Now you're gonna be able to find a couple of colors, okay? And you can click right here to insert extra colors, just like this. Here is the new colors that I would like to have into my image. Now all I have to do is click into this button, recolor image. And here is the result I got. If you don't like the result, remove some colors and repeat the process. If you don't like the result, remove some colors and repeat the process until you got the colors that you wish for the image, okay? In the case that you are using some vectors that is the best for this app, you can mark this option right here and the app gonna works a way better as well, but up to you. In the case that you like the results you got, all we have to do is replace the image, just like this. And you have the new image into new colors. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!